The 196th birth anniversary of Francisco Luis Gomes, one of the greatest sons of Goa and India and a native of Nevalim, was celebrated as an official state function at Nevalim on 31st May 2025. This great intellectual was the first to voice the concept of national freedom in the Portuguese Parliament and the first to propagate that Goa was a part of India. He also fought against inequality and socio-economic injustice. Social Welfare Minister Subhash Phaldesai and former two-time Chief Minister and Rajya Sabha member Luisinho Falero and others garlanded the statue of the great son of Goa.
आयचो दीस एक किरीत दीस जावन आसा कित्याक गोंयकार आख्या संवसारांत आयज एमिनंट गोवन्स डे म्हूण मनयतात. कित्याक आयज न्हू फक्त डॉक्टर फ्रांसीस लुईस गोमेस हाचो जल्माचो दीस, आबेल फारिया हाचोय जल्माचो दीस आनी डॉक्टर दाऊजी लाड हांच्या मरणाचो दीस. देखून इट इज नोन एज अ एमिनंट गोवन्स डे. वी स्टार्टेड on this day 40 years back when the then governor Dr. Gopal Singh and Archbishop of Goa, Archbishop Gonsalves, inaugurated a children's park here 40 years back and put a foundation stone for a library of Dr. Francis Gomes. Today that library, which is constructed by me side of this, is one of the best library not only in Goa but in India. So we are celebrating this day every year, but this year I am very sorry because you can see the fruit of development all around. The buildings have come. The PWD National Highway has forgotten to clear the drains, so the water is getting accumulated for the last 2 years. So I will request Honorable Minister, I must today say this, conveying thanks to you. I am very grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister also because he helped us in a big way in getting this project started and he is supporting us all the way. So my best wishes to the people of Navili, to the people of this country, because he was not only a freedom fighter, he propounded the concept of national freedom for India 35 years before Indian National Congress was born. When he said, I was born in the East Indies, once the cradle of poetry, philosophy and history, today is lying in ruins. I ask for my country light and liberty. That was the great words which are still echoing in our ears. So we bow our head in gratitude.
आम्ही भारताचे आणि गोंयचे थोर सुपुत्र डॉक्टर फ्रांसीस लुईस गोम्स हांच्या ह्या एमिनंट डेज हाच्या सेलेब्रेशन आमी किंवा आमकां तांकां याद करपाक तांकां ट्रिब्यूट दिवपाक हांगा जमले आसा. आमचो गोंयचो सुपुत्र डॉक्टर फ्रांसीस लुईस गोम्स हांणी आमचें गोंय व्हड नांव व्हड केल्लेंच आसा. कारण ते ज्या वेळार पोर्तुगीज हांगा राज्य करताले आनी त्या वेळार आमचे गोंयचे विशय आसात, आमचे रायट्स आसात, तांच्यो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गोंया खातीर आसात, हे भिना आसतना very courageously, very bravely, he fought in Lisbon for getting all the rights which the Goans were in need at that time. पण त्या वेळार स्वातंत्र्याची, भारताच्या स्वातंत्र्याची तितक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात संकल्पना नाशिल्ली. But he was the one person before formation of Indian National Congress who fought for the freedom struggle. He raised these issues on a foreign land representing Goa. म्हणून खूब बरें दिसता की he was not only a doctor of medicine but he was a doctor of law also, I would say, because the way he represented Goa आणि जशें ताणें आपले नॉलेज थी आपले रायट्स मांडले, त्याच बरोबर ही वॉज अ ग्रेट इकॉनॉमिस्ट, ही वॉज अ ग्रेट फिलॉसॉफर, ही वॉज अ ग्रेट रायटर ऑल्सो. ताणें कांय कादंबरी आमच्यो बरयल्यो त्यो आज पर्यंत आमी इट इज अ ट्रेजर इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ गोवा एंड इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ वर्ल्ड. हांव ह्या खातीरच ह्या व्हडल्या मनशाक आयज आमच्या नावेलीचो तो सुपुत्र तांकां याद करपा खातीर, तांकां ट्रिब्यूट दिवपा खातीर आनी तांणी घालून दिल्ले जे धडे आसात ते आमी आमच्या आचरणान भितर हाडपा खातीर आमी आमच्या भितर ते कांय गूण घेवपा खातीर आयज भुरग्यां मदीं स्कॉलरां मदीं रिसर्चरां मदीं तांचे जे ग्रेट वर्क आसा तें पावोवपा खातीर आमी हो मनयतात. हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमचे एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर लुईझिनबाब फालेरो ताणें तांचें नांव परत एक फावटी भुरग्यां मदीं हाडपा खातीर खूब कश्ट घेतले. 40-50 वर्सां ह्या मनशाच्या फाटल्यान तांची जी लिगसी आसा ती मुखार व्हरपाचे प्रयत्न तांचे वटच्यान जाता.
Subhash Faldesai, who is Archaeology Minister, assured to restore the house of Francisco Luis Gomes, which falls in Margao constituency. He said that he would send his team to the spot within 15 days.
दिगंबर कामतांनी तुम्ही वचून विजीट केल्ले ते आमी पळयले, बट इट हॅज टू बी रिस्टोर्ड अँड आय वूड ट्राय. आय एम आर्किओलॉजी मिनिस्टर, आर्काइव्स मिनिस्टर, सो I think I should take a call, and again immediately within 15 days I would send my team, whatever way we can restore it and restore its glory.
Like, subscribe and get notified.